Hey guys, it's Adventures with Mr. C. Our latest adventure today is we're going to be doing some ice rink maintenance. As you can see, we got a ferocious lake effect snowstorm up here in northeastern Ohio. We're right on the PA line, but let's talk ice rink maintenance here. First thing you want to do is, if you got your slab, is the first thing is probably want to start getting the snow off as fast as you can, because the snow will make bumpy spots, jagged edges. As you can see here, we're sitting there trying to time lapse get the snow off. Got to do a little bit of back breaking work and do some shoveling, but it's all worth it in the end, and it'll keep your surface nice and smooth. If you can, try to get as much of it off as you can with the shovel, and then try a couple different techniques. I mean, whatever you have, snow blower, depending on the size of your rink. But we're here, this is a 16 by 24 size rink, so you don't really need that much heavy equipment. You can do most back breaking work just with a shovel. Alright, the next step you want to do, this right here is just with a regular ice scraper. It's a driveway sealer. It's got a rubber side on one side, then a metal scraper on the other side. And this is just used to go back and forth and remove any snow that might have stuck to the rink, any high spots, little ice chunks, etc. It makes a big difference before you put the water on. Keeps the rink more level, saves you from having to do so many water layers. But you again, you want to get as much of that snow and ice off as you can. It'll make a big difference on how level your rink ends up staying. After you get all the ice and snow off, last thing you want to do is resurface your rink with hot water. And depending on how much ice and buildup you have, you might have to do this 1 or 2 times. But you do it enough times, you'll end up getting a nice smooth glass surface as long as you're using hot water. Now, if you don't have access to hot water, cold will work, but it makes a little bit more of a rough surface. So I recommend on maybe taking a mat to it, which what I usually end up doing with hot water. But I take that metal squeegee that I just you've seen on there, and we attach just a simple rubber mat to it, like a simple walkway or welcome mat, and drag it around basically like a hand zamboni. And then after that, you let it dry, let its surface freeze up, and once you get a nice dry frozen surface on there, you can go ahead and resurface as many times as you can. And then you can go ahead and let it freeze up. Here's a little speed shot, 15 degrees. See how fast the ice starts freezing. Hey, happy skating everyone. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Adventures with Mr. C. Out.